check out the latest inventory, the GCFCE. It's actually not that bad, is it? Pretty complete car. 54 Ford. What model is this? This we call a ranch wagon or a country sedan, or what do they call these?
We weren't even here when they dropped it off. My dad was here.
That's how they unloaded it, eh? Just crash, whatever.
My dad said he let the winch go on the guy let the winch go on the trailer, and he said if it wasn't for this, it would have been in the freezing. But they're hard to find shit here for wagon. Like these are here.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. This is whatever.
Yeah, it's flat glass.
Right. All the interior panels are still there. The floors are actually really good in this thing. Look at the floors.
Oh yeah. No, it's a restorable car.
Easily.
Everything is though.
Is that a second tailgate? Or no, it was a rear seat. It had a seat in the bottom.
Fold down seat maybe.
Yeah.
Or a cover of some kind.
No, there was two seats as the other half of it. There's part of it here.
Yeah, it would have had a seat.
A jump seat there. A sweet car, 1954. Family hauler.
Yeah, is this a, what do they call these? Country sedan, I think?
I don't know.
Y block auto.
Yeah. But all the front pieces are the same.
Yeah. Yeah, the trim's good.
Like the bumper's straight, Paul's is not dented.
Yeah.
This piece is really Paul's got the good emblem. This is dented. This is totally caved on Paul's car.
Yeah, the cool jet plane is still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of good parts on that. And the die-cast piece for the end. That's
Both
wrecked
the
on
headlight
Paul's.
bezels
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah.
Paul has one, but it's in terrible shape, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you combine, didn't Dave get a whole front clip from the wrecking yard?
Yeah.
So you just pick and choose all the best parts. Probably better headlight doors here. And
But the fenders are straight, like they're rusty at the bottom, but so are his.
yeah, no, these are straight. That's a real easy fix.
And Paul's are buckled
Yeah,
from whatever it hit.
Yeah. No, that's a good idea for what he paid for it to get all these parts.
The roof is good too. I know.
It's not been walked on.
The car's actually really good.
Yeah.
Look at the
And
floors
still
on
got
the front.
oh yeah, there is floors in it. And still got the serial number on it and everything.
Is there a motor in it?
Yeah, the 2-barrel Y block.
292?
Yeah, probably a
312
272.
No, if it wasn't, Paul would probably be on the
Oh, there, look. Is that the?
That's the piece, yeah, it just falls off, that's why, yeah.
Oh yeah, Dick Beagle would be interested
Oh, yeah.
in any Y blocks you want to get rid of. He's a good sport, you guys know.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, that's pretty original, eh? That has never been cleaned. Has never been cleaned
Give
or
me a
worked
second.
on.
You at that?
Yeah, I'm
Trying to do?
If it's a 3-bolt pulley, he needs one. And
Somebody's
he needs to-
stripped a few bits off it.
for sure. Here, hold
Water
the
pumps. Yeah, I
hold
got
push for a sec.
Stuck.
Oh yeah.
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 Dusted.
Yeah.
No surprise. Still got the cool Ford
Oh, yeah.
Thunderbird style valve covers on.
I'm going to take this cap and wire, so I need that.
Yeah. We need all that stuff. Yeah.
What I do need is this.
The bracket.
The alternator bracket.
Oh yeah.
It's too bad somebody wrecked the hinges.
Yeah. Which also, in turn, they kept opening the hood. Which, if you look at the back of the hood, that's how the back of the hood's bent.
Yeah.
But
Well,
the hood's
it's
in
repairable.
way better shape than
Is it
Paul's.
better than Paul's?
Well, Paul's is caved,
Oh, is it?
and Paul's is caved all right here, and all the inside bracing's all caved in.
Yeah.
So we were like, okay, which
That's
battle?
easier to fix. Yeah.
Which battle do you want to
Oh,
pick,
that's
right?
that's not a biggie. Yeah. Great. Wow, nice. And some probably lots of little miscellaneous stuff that you'll be happy to have.
G8 emblems and stuff, right?
Yeah, for sure.
He actually might have those already.
Yeah, that's a cute old car.
Oh, I need those tires or the wheels.
Are they 14? I thought they're 15.
I don't know, what are they? They're probably 14.
They're not the same front and rear though.
There's at least
It
two.
looks like you got 3 of one and 1 of the other, maybe.
Yeah, they're 14.
Yeah.
Well, if you had to go find one, it probably wouldn't be too
Yeah.
hard. But
Well, I got wheels everywhere at my house too. Yeah, man, that's a great deal. Well, goodbye. Guess you're not too worried about what engine goes in, hey? Hey, when are we gonna fire up this custom 500? Hey?
Well, we could do it pretty soon, actually. It's probably the time to do it while it's cold.
Why?
Right? I'll probably pick it up with pick the back end of it up with the forklift or like the skid steer, and we'll just wheel it into the garage and do it inside because it would be.
Oh yeah, no, it's more than a 5-minute job.
Why is it stuck?
No, it turns over.
Turning over and everything.
Oh, you're kidding?
Yeah.
No, it turns over. Yeah.
Turns over, right? Yeah.
This would be a car for Andy. Hey, wouldn't Daleen be thrilled if this parked in front of the house?
Driveway here is?
Yeah.
Actually, this would be a good one for Amelia. When she's done with the Vic, you can get her some classic cop car.
52,000 miles on it. That's it.
Yeah, that's a bit janky.
Oh,
There you go.
You
Watch
understand why it's
watch
so
the windshield go. So what is it? A 351, right?
351 two barrel.
Oh, it is a 351.
It's got the police
big
booster,
power.
police booster and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right.
This would be a cool drivetrain for something, or just drive it like it is. It's actually the body's pretty decent.
Pulley.
Pulley's way too big.
I don't care about
I
that.
guess so.
I just need to run the water pump.
She'll come back to
You
life.
go to the wreckers, I'll go. I might need to borrow the dipstick. I don't have a dipstick.
That could be an issue. I probably have other dipsticks around universal ones too. Good enough. I like these cars though.
Yeah, that's cool. Still got the cop radials on it, eh?
Yeah.
BFG
Well, how many miles
Pursuits.
do you say? 50,000?
52,000 miles.
They're probably original tires.
It came from Ron actually told me it came from Fort McMurray,
Yeah.
and here's a low power one, right? Trailmaker
Yeah.
Pursuit.
Oh yeah. Fucking wide, eh?
Look at the size of those tires. Top tires.
It's not even bad though, really.
No tilt.
Nothing.
Yeah, this thing could be fixed up.
I have the radio delete for it. If it was a 460 car, I'd be like,
Well, that one's very
Yeah. Is
I
it the
actually-
same year as this?
no, here's a 77.
What's this?
74. So this is the.
I like this with the different.
Yeah.
I like the taillights on this. Yeah.
This is the only 2 years they were purple, right? So
Oh, I see. I
74
never
cars,
see that.
They're
Yeah.
all purple, and then they went to that blue. Right, if you look at the Suburban, they went to that blue. It's purple, like the car's literally.
Yeah, bright purple. Yeah.
Right, like it's.
What's coming back then?
I know.
It actually
Don't
is,
stop
yeah.
there.
What grid is your snow? Holy shit, eh? Look at the shine. There we go.
Get the final
The turtle
polish
wax
right,
out there, yeah.
It's a 2000.
You know what's cool though is it's the same as the 74 Monaco, same year.
Yeah,
Right, so that's
it would
why
be
I bought
pretty
it.
cool to have them beside each other, yeah.
Right, but like, this was never on my list of.
No,
cars
no,
that
I
was
get
like,
it, man.
have
I
to
get
have.
it, yeah.
Well,
Soon
so
to
far,
be
I've made it
enclosed,
one day
so
in
you're...
2024, and I haven't bought anything. So
Yeah, right?
my New Year's resolution is not buying cars. I've made it. I've
Yeah,
made
you
it.
made it.
I've
You made it to
most-
sundown
most
on the
people-
first day
Yeah.
without buying any cars.
Yeah.
Most people's New Year's resolutions last, what, 3 weeks on average?
Yeah.
Yeah,
If
that's
that.
what I'm giving you. If you okay, here's the if you haven't bought a car by the end of the month, I'll give you $100,
Ooh, that's gonna be a tough one. Well, we'll see.
which you can use
Yeah.
toward buying a car the very next day. Yeah. It's a regular
Same old shit.